Hello kids, good evening. This is Dr. Mukesh Tiwari. I am a veterinary doctor. I am a practicing vet here in Bhopal. I have a small clinic in Bhopal. First, I'll tell you who is a veterinary doctor. Veterinary doctor is that doctor who used to treat the animals. As you know, there are different kind of animals. There are pet animals, there are dairy animals, there are wild animals. So a veterinary doctor used to treat all kind of animals. Here in my clinic, I used to treat dogs and cats, which comes under the pet animals. And she's my pet Whiskey. Say hello to Whiskey. She is a loving dog. She loves me a lot, and I also love her a lot. She is a female dog. So first here I'll tell you what we do here in the clinic. Actually, when pet gets sick, then pet owner used to bring their pets to us. Here we used to ask the history from the pet owner, because as you know, we cannot ask anything from dog or cat. So first we ask different kind of question to know the history from the pet owner. Then after knowing the history, we used to take their temperature to know whether they are having fever or not. And sometimes to diagnose, we used to take the help of diagnostic tools like blood testing and other. Here we have a small lab. These are my machines by which we can do their blood testing, urine testing, or their hematology. And there we have on the back there is a sonography machine, which I used to diagnose different kind of abdominal abnormalities. And sometimes we used to take the help of x-rays also. So these are the diagnostic tools by which we try to diagnose the cause of the disease. And after proper diagnosis, we used to give them different kind of medicines, like sometimes we used to give them injectable medicines, sometimes we used to give them IV fluids, sometimes we used to give them oral medications. So thus we treat the animal in clinic. So hope this is clear what a veterinary doctor used to do in the clinic. Along with this, we also provide the guidance to the pet owner how to take care of their pets. Here I'll share you few caring tips for your pets. First, most important thing is their feeding. For feeding, you should know do's and don'ts. Actually, dogs are carnivorous animals, so nowadays there are different kind of ready-made food like Pedigree and other brands are available. I have kept two dog food. Yellow is for the cat and blue is for the dog. There are different kind of foods are available in pet shops and market. And when you are giving home food to your dog, you should remember, never give 100% milk to the dog. It should be diluted 50%. And if you are giving home food, so never give them sweet, salt, oil, or fruits in which resin is there like grapes. You should not be given to your pet, because it is really harmful. You should never give chocolates to your dog or cat. And after the feeding, I'll tell you bathing. Actually, you should not bath them regularly like us. You should bath them once in 10 days or once in 15 days. And while you are bathing them, you should always use the dog soap or dog shampoo, because the skin pH varies in different species. So you should use the pet shampoo while bathing. And after bathing, it's very important to dry them properly. And after drying them, we should use the powder for the fragrance. And we should do the brushing, because you know dogs has hairs. If you not brush them, then their hair can get entangled, and your dog will not look pretty then. So brushing is very important. Then in the end, I'll talk about the dental hygiene. You should keep your dog's teeth clean, and for this there are different kind of toothbrushes are available. There are different kind of toothpaste are available. So you can use these toothpaste and brushes to keep your pet's teeth clean. And at the end, I'll tell you vaccination. Vaccination is also very important to keep your dog healthy and safe. So this was a little information about pet care and about the veterinary doctor. Hope you will like this. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.